everyone, welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. Behind me, the very famous Audi 4-liter twin turbocharged V8 in S6 configuration right now. These cars truly have an incredible sound characteristic with the right setup. The car came to us bone stock. We did a mid Resonator delete, and then it has the best mufflers out there, the universal Valvetronic single to dual valve mufflers with some really good looking single wall black tips. In the video, we're gonna showcase how much better we can make this C7 or C7.5, in this case, generation S6 sound with just a couple easy exhaust modifications. We're gonna show you why the factory system is quite compromised in the way it's configured with the center resonator, the front two resonators, and the rear mufflers being very, very heavy and very restrictive. It still has the OEM downpipes up front. It's gonna sound a hell of a lot better. Showcase startup, revs, do some flybys, a launch control. We'll do GoPro on the rear bumper, and of course, some interior clips. Let's get to that sound. Inside the C7 S6, we know how potent this engine is. This engine's in the Urus, it's in the RS7, it's in the RSQ8. Even though it's changed slightly, this engine is absolutely wicked. But now with the full exhaust configuration, pretty much, we've got the front resonators deleted, the mid resonator, and with the Valvetronic rear, this car does have an integrated engineering X pipe in the middle as well, and it really cleans up the sound. Inside the car, with the valves closed, it's like the car's bone stock. As you would expect, the car is extremely, extremely reserved when those valves are closed, and that's how it's got to be. But if we open it, one of the many reasons why the Valvetronic universal mufflers are really on top. Listen. You get a huge sound increase. Whew. Very aggressive sound. There's a lot of systems on the market that are $2,500, $3,000, $3,500, but the mufflers are $600. The Resonator delete configuration is not super crazy, plus to install. And you get this sound. Listen to the cracks. It sounds insane. I'll stop talking now, just continue to enjoy.